This is the very beginning stages of a land development deal. In the cost of buying the land, I'm paying for all architectural, all the engineering fees and everything. I'm paying for the surveying, I'm paying for platting it out, I'm paying for everything. He's not paying for any of that. That's an additional cost that I will have on top of my $12,500 per door. So what we're looking at, you'll see we got a flag right here. So I had a surveyor company yesterday. We hired a surveying company that came out yesterday and they started the surveying. So what I told them was, I said, I want you to do off of that property line there, I want to own 100 feet on this side. So they're giving me a full 100 feet where I do have the ability, if I had to divide it into 2 lots, I still got 50 foot of road frontage in the front, which is enough to build a home. So I wanted to make sure we had that. So that protects me on being able to put 2 duplexes in here pretty easy, because I own a duplex across the street there. It's on an acre lot. I own another duplex down here on an acre lot. I own another house down here on an acre lot. So I don't have any doubt on the acre lots of being able to get that through. These over here, there's 3 units over here on quarter-acre lots. So that's what I'm going to go for, because it abuts those quarter-acre lots. And we're going to see if we can make that work. So we came from that fence over 100 feet and measured it out. Now I measured it out, but that doesn't necessarily mean that this is where the pin's going to go, because the actual surveying pin on that fence may be off. So we're going to let the surveyor come and they're going to tell us where it's going to go, and they're going to plant those stakes to give us that total 100 feet. Then, Nick, if you can get a picture of that back hill. So if you see that back hill back there, what I wanted, because I got a 20-foot setback on the back, which means I can build a structure all the way up to 20 feet to the back of my property line. So I wanted to go back up on that hill 20 feet, and that's where I want that property line to end. That gives me enough room to build all the way against that hill if I chose to. Maybe I choose to, maybe I don't. It gives me options. Then where this fence is right here, this property kind of dog legs off and goes straight forward as Nick has that picture. It goes back there about another 100 feet. So they're going to square up that lot from that 20 feet up that hill all the way across to the other side, and that should put us at about 5 acres. If it's not quite 5 acres, then they're going to go further up on the hill to give me 5 acres. I'm not going to take any more of his land over here that's usable for him. I'll take non-usable land, and that's the way we're going to handle it. But, you know, so this is the